All right, welcome class to my very first official tutorial. I wanted to show you something pretty cool about Word that I don't know very many people are aware of. First, I'm gonna open up my Word app here, and I'm sure this is typical of your setup as well. This is just Office 365. But as soon as it opens up, when you start working on Word, you're gonna go straight here and just open up a new document. Something that I wanted to show you though is that there are these to the side. These are called templates, and they're all things that you can do um, on your own. You can make your Word document look like these, but it takes a lot of work. And these are very easy to adjust and kind of make your own. So I'm going to click here on more templates. And as you can see, there's a lot. These are the featured templates. So these are probably the most used ones. And as you could guess, there's a resume. See, this looks so nice. It's got a picture, kind of a little bio, and then your resume information. I think a big part of the business world today is to look very creative and stand out. And if you send something that just looks so boring to a company, as an employer, it would be really difficult for me to want to read it. So these are just templates that make it look a little bit more fun. We've got a calendar here, some more resumes, more resumes. This is actually my resume. And it's got cover letters to match, so you can look very professional and put together. We've got some brochures here, another calendar, a certificate. So these are fun. These are the first ones. If you look up here, it shows all of the different templates by category. So there's lots of resumes and cover letters, those are fun, but there's also different flyers and cards, business. Let's click on business since that's kind of our focus. And it's got these are kind of featured again, and then it's got categories. You've got presentations, industry, letters, projects, analyses, technology, business cards, schedules. Let's keep looking here. Business plans. Ooh, that sounds kind of cool. Let's click on business plan. See what they've got. Whoa, this is so cool. I actually haven't clicked on this one before. But we've got proposal and marketing plan. So let's choose this one. Let's see what this would look like. Um, you've chosen your template. Yep, I want it. Create. And some of them, if they aren't as commonly used, it'll actually have to be downloaded. So that's what it's taking a second to download the template from Microsoft Online and put it in. All right, so it looks like we're going to have a couple of pages. This is just the front page, and it looks awesome. We've got this cool image in the background. You can change anything. Subtitle text here, we can say, awesome, awesome presentation by, oh, we'll extend it so that it'll fit. Awesome presentation by Miss Arnoldson. Lovely. So you can kind of see how you can change things around a little. Company name, all of this you can put in. You can put in your logo. It looks like it inserted, yep, a graphic. So you can make it your own thing there. That's awesome. It looks great. I love the black and white with the one color. And then here you've got your marketing plan. So it's like you can put your title, heading 1, any placeholder you want, heading 4, heading 3, whatever, all this stuff, company website. If you click on this, it's a footer. It's a specifically designed footer. You can make one that looks just like this, but it's easy to use these templates. So I hope you can kind of see what I'm looking at here. Let's go back. If you go to File, New, pew, we're right back here, and it shows your most recent one. And then you can keep looking at your templates here of whatever you'd like. There's a meeting agenda, certificate, exit tickets. Should I use those in our class? So I just wanted you guys to see the possibilities here and understand that there's a lot of things that you can do. Another thing that would be great for these is if you are trying to create, I don't know, a reading log, say, you can look at this template and just kind of get ideas. You can search reading. That probably is the only one if I'm going to be honest, yeah. But say let's search for a resume. They've got quite a few. Look how little that thing is. So you might not want a single one of these, but you might get an idea like, oh, that's a good idea to put my picture in there. And I like that this has phone number and address and whatever, all of these things down here. So I might want to add that to mine. I like a lot of colors, and these graphics are pretty cool. So I might use those. So you can you don't have to use a template all the time, but it's nice to kind of extract ideas. These are all very professional, strictly business ones that are, honestly, in my opinion, kind of boring, but there's a place for everything. So that's what I wanted to show you today is there are templates that you can use in Word. You don't just have to go to a blank document and just create everything from scratch all the time. They've taken a lot of time to put these together so that you don't have to. So that's what I wanted to share with you today.